Hi guys, meron tayong question dito regarding Go High Level. So question ma'am, pwede maggawa ng funnel or landing page sa Go High Level? Paano mo po yun bibigay kay client? Or si client ba ang magpo-provide ng Go High Level for you to use for funnel or landing page? Yes me, you can definitely create landing page and funnel sa Go High Level. Usually yung mga clients, they provide access with their Go High Level accounts. Commonly, binibigyan nila yung username and password nila kasi hindi lahat ng client alam, o hindi ko nila lahat pero usually hindi nila alam na pwedeng mag-create ng another user para ma-access yung Go High Level account nila without giving their own username and password. Pero just in case binigay nila yung password and username nila sa'yo, it's better, or I advise you to create your own username and password. Kasi just in case lang malag out yung Go High Level account or access mo yung Go High Level account sa ibang device, hindi mo na need na istorbohin si client to get the security code. Pero if you have your own Go High Level account at si client wala pa, pwede naman. Pwedeng i-build yung funnel or landing page sa account mo. After mong magawa yung funnel, you can transfer naman sa Go High Level account ni client. Pero dapat talaga meron silang sariling Go High Level account. So you can transfer it by creating a shareable snapshots. Doon yung i-import mo sa Go High Level account ni client. However, mas maraming client ang prefer na gawin yung landing page at funnel sa account nila kasi they want to have full ownership and full control. Lang mga mi, so follow for more Go High Level tips. Bye!